Welcome to IEEE Project 2013 development. The project title is FoCUS, that means Learning to Crawler Web Forums. This paper developed by Startechnologychennai and implemented core technology for Java and MySQL, like another one technology spaces and web bases using here JSP technology also. In this paper, scope of the project is we reduce the web forum crawling to URL type of recognition problem. Here, crawl web forum means retrieve the number of URL. That means you can first entry the entry URL to retrieve the thread pages for n number of pages like that 1000 and 2000 forum pages. Thread pages to retrieve from the flip URL, that means index basis level. Mainly focus this paper is reduce the URL, that means weak pages type. We reduce the problem to a URL type recognition problem. This is our main scope of this project. Look at given one architecture for the web crawler forum. This is our architecture. So first you can enter the entry URL, that means search the forum. So entry URL list out the list of order, that means list of order display in the, that means this is a taskboard in the level display the list of thread pages to link other to other pages, that means the uh, flip URL. So flip URL contain just click the information for the corresponding forum to retrieve the user profile and user answer and question also. Here we get the large data set, to find out the URL pattern recognition. So here follow this further to retrieve the thread pages. First entry the entry URL, board and thread pages. Second process is entry URL list out the board. For example, you can search the forum for Linux, that is the entry URL. So board list out the number of thread pages from the Linux. So next entry URL list out the board, that is list out the thread pages for the list of board. Next list, just click the thread link, you can list out the flip URL, that is list of board and thread forward to thread. So this is a procedure to retrieve the URL pattern recognition. So here clearly show your image based screenshot based retrieval the thread forum level. So look here. So here here searching the Linux based forums. This is our entry, that this is the thread pages, that is the topic level. So page flip URL also here on the dotted lines. So and then pagination also index level. So this is a pagination as the index level. This is our screenshot to display screenshot, so the how to recognize the URL pattern. This is our application to display the URL. Next here clearly given step-by-step procedure to show the result in our application. Here you see in the EIT path, that means the entry index thread. So entry index thread to navigate the index level URLs, that is the index page flipping URLs. Next afterwards implement the next algorithm is the IDF recognition, that means index thread page flipping recognition. That is a regular expression to get the summary and export the definitions. For example, you can view the forum contain a title and a question and answer also. So IDF recognition to retrieve retrieve to split and that means crawler IDFs to retrieve the title, question and answer after user profile also. This methodology mainly implemented on our focus shops. So after crawling the forum online crawler to retrieve the how many URLs and URL pattern recognition for recognition and optimization after finalization for our project. So this is the overall architecture for the FoCUS. So here using the forum through the internet. Internet which contains the thread and number of pages, that is online crawling. After IDF recognition to summary the crawl to the summary expert definition also. So IDFX recognition, that means URL button to crawler technology. Page URL flipping, that means contains a URL set. The next level link out next level link pages. So page flapping URL detection contains split into two parts. One is the index pages, another one is the thread pages. Thread pages for the corresponding forum. Index page contains the mapping the next level thread pages. So finally integrate the index and thread pages to the URL set. After URL index thread detection to the entry level. Next entry level, that means a discovery. So entry URL discovery again here using the crawler technology, mainly here using this process. So after forum page retrieval your user side. This is our application. So here using a number of sites to retrieve the URL pattern. So here using the number of data set from through online to forum sites to retrieve the URL patterns recognition. One is here using the answerback.com, another one is stockoverflow.com and eHow and wikihow and mashable.com and sites are forum sites. We can here get the here input dataset from the stockoverflow.com. This is the largest forum site that based cloud design implemented in a cloud technology based forum site. This largest dataset we can get the input from our application to crawl the URL pattern recognition. This is finally our conclusion is we reduce the forum crawler. This is for this paper. Next we can go to the implementation part. So first go to your project backup, experimenter. Thank you for listening and thank you very much.